All right, so let's take a look at how we can make a video. So what we're going to do is we are going to do a couple things. We are going to add in the video tag, so it's going to be a video, and we're going to close off that a video tag, just like that. Okay, so we're going to say a video tag. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add in the source here, and we're just going to say this is um, sample video. Okay, sample video. So wait a minute, but where do we get this sample video? Well, what we need to do is we need to once we have our a scene here, we need to add in our assets here. So this is the first time adding in assets, and adding in assets is important. So if you've ever seen a loading screen in some kind of video game, it means that your assets have to load. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just close that off here. Now within this, we're going to set up the video. So we're going to say video, and the video here is going to have an ID. Okay, and the ID, of course, is going to be sample video. Now make sure it is spelled correctly like that. So what we need to do here is add in a few other items here. So like we can add in auto play, and we're just going to add in a space here. We're going to say loop. Okay, and we'll make that equal to true. And what this is going to do is just, well, it's as simple as it sounds. It's autoplay. Okay, and then the next thing we need to do is we need to add in an src with a source here. Okay, now I'm just going to close off this video tag, and then I'm going to talk about how to find the source here. Okay, so here we go, and you can see here that we basically have this here, and it's not a video, it's just video. Yeah, this is the actual video tag, and you can see it's a little different here. So we need to go find ourselves a good source. Now what I've done here is I've gone to Pixabay, and I've just clicked on the videos, and I've searched videos here, and you can find basically any kind of videos, and there's a lot of really nice 4K videos. All right, so the one thing that you can do is you need to find the source of this here. Okay, so you need to find the actual Pixabay video to stream it from there. All right, so if you go and click on view page source, you can see there is the source. So there's a lot that you need to scroll in here, and you want to go find this iframe source, and you want to click on that. Okay, and this will give you the source of that video. All right, so if we go back here, we're going to paste that in here. Okay, and we're just going to leave it there like that. Now we're not done yet. Okay, so now that we have this video here, we need to do a few more things. We're going to add in a width of this video. So we're going to say width is equal to, and we want to make it a 16:9 ratio, because if you look at this here, I think this is probably 16:9. 16, of course, is the ratio of 16:9. It doesn't really matter what the units are as long as they hold that ratio. So width 16, and then height is equal to 9. Okay, and then of course we want to add in a position to this, and we will make this we can make it 0, 0, and then something like a -15. Okay, and what that's going to do is that's going to, you can see here that it does add in that video just like that. So as you can see here, for some reason it's not playing in JSBin, but you can add in videos. You can add in videos like this here. So it's kind of interesting. I wish it did play here, but essentially what you would have to do is if you don't have a video player, you'd have to get the actual an actual URL of this here. And if you didn't get the actual if that didn't work, then there's something else in there. But basically, the to find a free solution online like this is a little difficult. But nevertheless, this is how you add a video to A-Frame.